Disabling two-factor authentication on Alpaca can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Alpaca website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Security Settings section, usually found in the Profile menu. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. Within the Security Settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. This may be labeled as 2FA or similar. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Click on the option to disable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your device for security purposes. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication should be successfully disabled on your Alpaca account. Always remember to keep your account secure with other measures.